Welcome to the Studs Raider Part Replacement Guide. For part replacements of your Raider helmet, we've got you covered with this easy guide. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To remove the visor, open the visor fully. Push the visor opening lever and gently pull it forward to detach the visor from its casing. Repeat the process on the other side and pull the visor outward. To remove the visor mechanism, open the screw and carefully pull out the entire mechanism from its slot using your fingertips. Keep all the parts safe for reassembly. To install the visor mechanism, place the visor mechanism back in the notch provided. Gently tighten the screw using a screwdriver. Align the visor on top of the visor mechanism and gently snap it in place. Finally, operate the visor to ensure it is working properly. Top vent replacement. To remove the top vent, use a screwdriver covered with a soft cloth to gently pull out the vent. To remove the vent button, snap the button from vent using your fingertips. To install the top vent back in place, position the vent correctly over the vent opening. Gently snap into place, ensuring it is securely attached. Operate the vent to ensure they are working properly and allowing proper ventilation. Front vent button replacement. To remove the front vent button, use a screwdriver covered with a soft cloth to gently pull out the vent button. To install the button back again, snap the vent button back into place securely. Adjust the position from close to open as necessary for optimal airflow. Cheek pad replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front until you hear a click sound, indicating the two buttons have opened. To install the cheek pads, snap closes the buttons inside the helmet first. Then, align the cheek pad properly and snap it back into place securely. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealers.